Meg, tell us what you told me earlier, your quote.
What was my quote?
About what happens to you at night.
Beast. I don't remember what I said.
What happens to you after 6 p.m.?
I know. What happens to me?
Well, about 10 minutes ago, Meg came up to me and goes, something happens to me after 6 p.m. I don't know what it is, but it's not good.
You like your grandma. You can't do that. With your ice cream.
No!
Please, do it again.
I hate all the attention.
No, you
Stop. No. Annie, stop. Stop recording. Stop. I want to watch The Secret Life.
Only if you eat your ice cream like that will she stop. Do it real quick.
OMG.
Flip your hair first.
I need a napkin.